Hi students, today I am going to show the Android application. How to create a basic application using the Eclipse. We have to start. First we create a new Android application file. Select the new and next Android application project. Just click. And give the name of the application. What may be it is depending upon you. Just I type a sample program because this is my first program to show the button message. We create a name and application. Rest all the as it is. Don't change. If you want to change, the program will be slightly changed. You want to change a little bit program coding. Just give the simply next. If you want to give an icon, is depending upon you. Select the icon, select the clip or text, browse, and select it. When we start a program, basic program, we need a blank page. Then only we read the basic program. Otherwise, you can't understand what is the full activities and master activities because it is a first program. Next, all the steps we have to do done successfully. Just give the finish. The page will be open. When the program source code has been open, you must understand. You must first we have to run the project without any coding and without any designing. Select the file, right click, select the file name, right click it, and run as Android application. When we give the Android application, the AOD will be open as like this. AOD take to 3 to 5 minutes to run. Before when you are starting the program, just we have to run the AOD. AOD means Android virtual device. Yeah, AOD run successfully. It's an old program. New program will be installing in AOD. Wait it's take little more time. When we run the first program, the program should be have like this blank page. Execute a simple message hello world. Because it's a text view, it's common for all program. We just right click it and delete it because it's not using the our program. For our program, first we drag a button and drag down it. Adjust the button like as you want, center or right left, and take another button. It's a GUI graphical layout. When you put the button, again we run the program because all the source code and the graphical layout will be merged into the Java file and the R programming. R programming is a file which have to connect the Java program and the graphical layout. You saw the status of the our program. It's successfully installed activities. This is our program. When you click the button, nothing will be happen because of we can't use as the button as function or anything. Okay, uh, we take the first button and click it. Rename in button one as a click me. And button two also we change name. I simply give the click me and message button. Save it. After we renaming the button, we select the main activities. That's Java file. Now this is the beginning of our program code. First we declare a button. And assign the name B1, that's button 1, comma B2, that's button 2. After we declare a thing, select the main file and type the program. Button equal to button B1 is equal to find by ID. When we write something, just start at 2 letter and control plus space click. They give the suggestion of what we have to next step line. After R dot, that's Java relational file dot ID dot button 1. Select the button 1. After we giving the name of the button, this will be the show the error. It will show the error, but it's not an error. We want to add a cast operator. Just we click on the letter and add the cast button. Like a Sam, second for button 2, button, control space, B2 equal to find by ID, R dot, ID dot, button 2. No, we saw one more error. It's not a error, it's a default. Just delete the R file, imported program. The code also give the case to. Whenever we have to declare a button, next we will give the main program v1 dot set on click listener. We use the function on click listener and erase it, and then new on click listener. When we type the on click listener, they give an extra file. Just our main file, we want to write the program within the courses and give the semicolon. And for button 2, b2 dot set on click listener, new on click listener. This also show the error, but it's not error. We put the semicolon in there. We saw the one more error. It said we want to import the file. Click it on click listener and import it. The error will be gone. Now for button 1, we write program there. And for button 2, we write there. Okay, we write in button 1 main program. It's the main program. Whenever we write something, we must be writing the in the button 1, we show the message for 1 second to 2 seconds. To show the message, write the program code toast dot make test get application. Within double quotes, we write our message. That will be shown in the program when click the button. I write this is my first program in Android application. It's our message. And duration will be calculated as a nanosecond. So I give the just 100 nanosecond. And when the completed, this is a message. This is my first program. This is my first Android application, and it will show that 100 nanosecond, but it not show because showing operator will be not implemented. Dot show. Select it. Yeah, for first button, there will be fixed data function, and for button 2, toast dot make test get application. Text will be right within the course, double quotes. I write welcome to new world. No, sorry. Successfully I create a program. And duration same as for button 1, 100 seconds, 100 nanosecond, and dot show. That's it. Our program will be finished. First we save, then compile, or basically same. We want to, if we want to be debug or run as Android application. It's take a 30 to 40 seconds to compile. Our emulator will be on. Now we check the status of this. Install APK successfully. Run as application, Android application. Yeah, program is run. When we click the first button, it's give the message. This is my first program. This is my first Android program. When we click the second button, they give that also give us some message. Yeah, successfully run it. This is my first. This is our message. When we click, same content will be shown. This is my first Android application. Yeah. When we click the second button, it gives a message. Successfully, I created Android program. That's it. We will saw the next class, next program.